Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, while some areas brace for scorching temperature, others can expect much-needed respite in the form of rain. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said the department is monitoring the situation, adding that the respective district administrations are on the job as they are monitoring the data and figures of the warnings. The government is strictly monitoring the event of extreme weather, either heat wave or thunderstorm, and decision will be taken accordingly.
But I don't have things information right now with me. But if things happen, so let our concerned deputy commissioner from the concerned district let's take stock of the situation and decide with respect to the functioning of the schools and institutions or things all that. Let us see the data and the figure of the present situation, because yesterday there was some rain in Garens, some part of the district of Garens, mostly in South Kerala, but not much. So maybe heat waves may change after an hour, after night. But yes, we will monitor the situation, what happens. If that is so, if the heat wave is on a round, let the institutions take their own decision. And also we will instruct the deputy commissioner concerned the district, take stock of the situation and alert the head of institutions to take necessary needful.
In Manipur, the re-polling at 11 polling